Want to know how to block or unblock someone on your Nintendo Switch? Blocking helps you avoid unwanted interactions, while unblocking lets you reconnect with friends when you're ready. In this video, I'll show you how to exactly block and unblock users on your Switch. So let's get started. First, let me show you how to block someone on Nintendo. So to do that, first on your Nintendo homepage, tap on your user account. Now from the left menu, tap on Friend List. Here you can see all your friends. Just tap on the account that you want to block. Then tap on Options and select Block. Again, tap Block to confirm. Now that account will be blocked. Now let me show you how to unblock someone. Now to unblock someone, go to the user settings. Then from the right side, scroll down and tap on Manage Blocked User List. Here you will see all the blocked users list. Just simply tap on the account and tap on Unblock. Now that account will be unblocked. So that's how you can block and unblock someone on Nintendo Switch. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.